Hey you guys, it's LuCinda Carol. So I am putting some final touches on some Valentine projects that I've got going out. And this is one that I want to share with you. It was really cute. I really enjoyed making this project. This is everything that you see here is from the Dollar Tree store. And what I did is I went in on my Cricut machine and I printed out the heart, which is in vinyl, and I also done the love, faith, and hope on these wooden sticks, wooden utensils, and also I purchased these at the Dollar Tree as well. So I think it's just a cute project if you want to give somebody on your job, if you want to give somebody in your church, or just a family member. I just think it turned out to be a really cute project. As you see, I've got some other little things going on around here, trying to finish up some last minute projects for Valentine. So hopefully I'll have another video uploaded soon with these projects that I'm finishing up. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek to what's to come. I am beginning to work on my Easter projects, so please stay tuned to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, if you like this project, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I am in the process of working on some Easter projects that I'm super excited about. Thanks, you guys.